everyone, thank you for watching Together with Dhanu and welcome back to yet another video. So I'm very excited for today's video because I'm gonna share my planner for 2021. I hope you guys are already aware about it, but still we'll talk a little about it. A planner is something which you use. It's a kind of a diary or notebook which you use in writing your to-do list and track your habits, health, and a lot of other things. It's like very comprehensive. I don't know if I'll be able to summarize it in 2-3 lines, but it's something very huge. So surely you will get to know more about planners later in this video. Okay, so few days back I did a poll on Instagram where I wrote this quote which was planning to fail is failing to plan. A lot of you said yes, which is great, and a lot of you said no. So I asked you like why no? So you were like, it is not always that you will plan and the thing will go accordingly and exactly in that way. I completely agree with you. This is true that whatever you plan, it's not important that it is gonna go exactly in that way, but to ensure that you know what you want to do, to be productive, be the best version of yourselves, and to use the time to the most. Like my basic idea behind planning is to not to waste any amount of your time. It's important that we are clear in our head, we have clarity of thought in our head that what we need to do next, what activities we need to do next. So that is just gonna ease down the process so much. Okay, so now what to expect from this particular video. I think you guys are already aware about this thing that planners currently in the Indian markets are very expensive. Like at least I consider them to be very expensive, and right now I don't feel comfortable in buying planners. So I thought that why not I make it by myself. I know it's gonna take a lot of time. That's the issue, that people buy it and they don't make it. But I know that among my audience there are great doodlers, great artists, great people with great calligraphy, with good craft art, everything, which I appreciate. So if you can take out some time, just sit back and design your own planner. It'll be super fun. I have designed for 1 month for January because I wanted to do this particular video and give you a basic idea and insight as to how you guys can make your planner. So I'm telling you beforehand, I have not done a lot in my planners. I've kept it very basic, very simple. I've not done any art and craft because I was having a lot of time constraints and I am having actually a lot of other bunch of activities to do. But I wanted to give you guys, like my audience, this thing from my side before 2020 ends so that you guys can also make a planner. I've recorded the entire process, how I made it, how to use the planner. So just stick to this video till end and enjoy watching. So I am gonna today decide at what all I need in my planner because I am planning to make a customized planner for myself. So I need a water tracker in that. Next I want a habit tracker, or like whatever habit I want to kind of gain in this particular coming year. I also want expenses ka column and income ka column. I want daily planning section. मैंने अपने accordingly I am keeping a water tracker because I want to focus on this. I'm keeping a habit tracker and I'm going to divide this into further habits I want. Then I have some expenses which I do in terms of a lot of things, so I just want to keep a record of that. Then income, of course I want some income wala thing. I want a daily planning section and to-do list. I want monthly goals, weekly goals. I want some annual goals. So for that I'll probably make a vision board or I'll incorporate it somewhere. So guys, I tried finding out a notebook which had plain pages, but I couldn't find that, so I had to resort to this. So this is basically a sketchbook and it has all plain pages. So I'm going to use this for my planner. You'll be needing a black pen, some blue pens, color pens. So I am here keeping a green pen, a red pen, and a black color marker. So I'm just using these little stuff. Okay, so this is how my first page looks after being ready. I'm pretty happy with it, and I feel that when I'll put pictures on it, it will look amazing. So do tell me in the comment section if you want to know that what I really pasted on this page. And I hope you guys remember that I've already made a vision board video where I did it on a proper, I guess, a card box, but this time I prefer doing it on a huge horizontal page. So yeah, if you're interested in watching that, do let me in the comment section. So now let's move on to page number 2. Woo! So here I'm gonna put up a section of monthly goals. This very section which left, I'm gonna put up weekly goals here, like Ryan Little. So here I have written habits. So here I will write all the habits I want to adopt and I want to track. because I'm trying to save paper here and being very lazy. So along with the habit tracker, I'm gonna use downside of the page for making water tracker. So let's make that. Okay, so let's now move on to the next page and make a mood tracker. Okay, so I'm done with my mood tracker. Here I've made 5 emotions. I'll tell you what all are they. And now I'm gonna make expense tracker and income trackers over here. Next page is very special to me because I personally want to include this, and this is completely optional on your side. Reflect back on what I've done wrong, what I've done right, or what are the things I want to improve on. This is the first page which I've decorated. I've written you have to do it and don't quit 2021. So you can decorate it in any way you want. Like I made last year, I decorated it like very much, like because I had time, so मैंने बहुत अच्छे से decorate किया था. I use the same code which I've used here as well. So you can do the whichever way you find convenient. Let's move on and jump to the first page. So here is this first page, like the cardboard thing I've used here. I've made 3 columns here. For here I've written things I want to get for myself in 2021. Then here I've written things I want to explore or do in 2021. And here I've written travel goals. I really don't think that I'll be traveling anywhere, but still I've written like travel goals. And here I've just written a code, believe and it will happen. I've written believe to highlight it, and here I've left some space so that later on if I want to include something, write something else, I can use this page. And next here I have made the very starting of my planner. Consists of this 2021 goals. This is basically a kind of vision board. I'm going to use it as a vision board, and I'm going to paste all the pictures, pictorial representation of what I want to achieve. Moving on to the next page. So this is my next page where I have done nothing because I had no time, so I kept it as simple as possible. I've written here the adventure begins, January, and welcome to yet another year. And I've written very grateful. Of course we have to be grateful. And then there is a box which I've dedicated for monthly goal. Then I have made 4 boxes of weekly goals. Okay, so moving on to the next page, I have made 2 trackers because I wanted to save page and just maximize the usage of everything I had. So here I've made a habit tracker, and here I'll be just writing all of my habits, like what I want to achieve. For example, number 1 habit which I want to adopt is reading. So that these are the days of January 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I do a reading on January 1, I'll put a tick here, and if I do it on 2, I'll put a tick here, and simultaneously it will happen. So this is the way you can use your habit tracker. You can use a sketch pen or a color shade, anything of your choice. And similarly, you can write as many number of habits you want. So I've made 6 columns here, and I'll be like more than happy if I could just incorporate 6 habits in my life. Then I have made a very beautiful water tracker. So here I have drawn these glasses and of course written dates here. Now these are 1, 2, 3, so I've made 7 glasses in total. So I just want to drink 7 glasses of water daily. So if I do it like for example, it's January 1 and I did drink 2 glasses of water in the morning, so I'll just put a tick or just shade it like this. And if I drank my 3rd glass, and again I'm gonna shade it. And if I ended up drinking my 4th also, and then 5th, 6th nahi piya, I drank my 7th, like I have to shade and show how much I am drinking, like what is the amount of water intake of mine, and I will just track it accordingly, and at the end I can see that how much water I'm actually consuming. So this is very important for me. So as I said you guys in the starting of the video, that this planner is gonna be very customizable and can be made as per your convenience. I know the planners out in the market are very expensive, so this is the easy way to go out. Next on the page I have mood tracker. Here I have made 5 moods, which is a happy mood, a neutral mood, a sad mood, like it's a very sad mood. This is like saddish and when you're feeling low, and this is like the time when you're very happy. So for example, on January 1, I will just track my mood, like was I happy throughout the day, and I will, for example, if I was happy, like I was very happy, I will just mark the amount of level I was happy, and I can just shade. And if I was and if at any point of the day I was sad, I will just make sure that okay, at what point of time I was sad. And similarly, you can just track. Now the next important section here you can see is expenses things, because I really want to track what expenses I'm doing. And as I mentioned in one of my previous videos, that I've started a little side hustle of mine and I've started earning, so this is just gonna keep the record of. And here I've made a box which I've kept empty, which I'll probably use later according to my needs. So that is it. Let's move on to the next page, which I have to show you. So next page is learning is equal to growing is equal to exploring. So here I'm just gonna write what I learned and what I need to work upon. Like for January 1, maybe I learned some new recipe or anything I learned. I'm just gonna write any lesson from the day. And similarly, if I failed at something or I need to improve on, I'm gonna write it here. So this is basically gonna tell me that what are the areas I need to work upon and what are the learnings I'm carry forward to my next days. And then is the daily goals wala thing, which is my favorite thing. And here I've written love you zindagi, because everybody needs to love their lives. And here I've just made boxes of daily goals, like the to-do list which we make. So I just have made boxes allotted to each particular day of week 1, and I've left 3 boxes empty. For example, if I want to make some important notes or anything, I want to give info to me, like anything of that important, because I think it's important to keep space and so that you can use that in your own way. And similarly, this all thing you have to do for each and every month, and your planner will be ready. So I've just finished doing January wala thing. I will probably start February, March super soon, but right now I was just having this much amount of time, so I just did this much. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you liked the planner. I know I have not done a lot of things. I'll probably decorate it later if I get time. And in case you're interested in knowing that what I exactly put in my vision board section, do let me know in the comment section. I would love to incorporate in an upcoming vlog, or maybe in a particular video, or maybe in IGTV. Just let me know that if you're interested in watching my 2021 का vision board कि मैंने क्या रखा अपने vision board के ऊपर. In case you're interested, just comment down. I would love to do that for you all. If you guys are comfortable purchasing planners, like, you can go for it. I think the cheapest right now available is the classic one from Haley Wade. It was available at, I guess, 8,999 when sale was going on. I really don't know currently if it's available or not. I will try to link it in the description. You can check the description box in case you're interested in buying that one. Then we have Mridul Sharma's I think Simple Lifestyle Planner. That is also like 1,000 plus. So that is expensive for sure. But they do provide a lot of quality and a lot of things into their planners, which is, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. And if you plan to make any of the planners, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. I will just provide my Instagram handle on the screen. And do tag me. I would love to see your beautiful planners. I know there are so many talented people watching this video. They can just pull off their creativity and make very beautiful planners. I'm sure about it. And guys, we are so close to 500, and I know that before New Year I will complete 500 on this channel, which is together with Dhanu. I have complete faith in you. I have complete faith in myself, and I know this will surely happen. So make sure that you share it with your friends and family. खूब भर के share कर देना. That is just a humble request and a New Year gift from you all to me. I am planning something really amazing for you all once we complete 500. So just stay tuned for that. Subscribe to the channel. Go follow me on Instagram. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.